In two different lectures, we have informed you and discussed about the IEC ranges and series about the rated voltage. The rated voltage is different from the nominal voltage, and rated voltage as per IEC 60694 is the highest system voltage for which the grid station, substation, transmission lines or primary distribution lines equipment is to be selected. In different two lectures, I have discussed the practices in Europe and practices in North America which are mentioned in IEC 60694 Article 4.1. Again, I repeat here there are two ranges in IEC 60694 Article 4.1, range 1 and range 2, and there are two series in range 1 and range 2 is common to both. So in range 1 there are two series, or you can find two tables. One series 1 and table 1 is about the European standard or practices. It will be better to call them practices because standard is IEC and these tables are as per the practices in Europe. The series 2 table or series 2 is as per the practices in North America and mentioned again in IEC 60694 Article 4.1. Please do understand that rated voltage is the highest system voltage for which the equipment is to be designed and selected and procured. Now here I will show you in this third part of this lecture about the rated voltages, that what are the practices in Pakistan. Here are the voltage levels used in Pakistan. I have divided them in primary and transmission voltages. LT distribution is usually up to 400 volts 3 phase and 220 or 230 volts in your house. The high voltage primary distribution starts from 6.6 and may be counted up to 33 kV. In Pakistan, in Karachi especially, there was 6.6 kV system as well, and other parts in Pakistan when the load was minimum for few years after the independence of Pakistan. But later on, due to the load growth and the generation capacity and the lines, the voltage was raised. As you know, high voltage means less losses. Now here I will discuss and focus only about 11 kV rated voltage, or the voltage said to be in Pakistan. Here I would like to mention that 11 kV, when we say 11 kV system voltage, then it means the nominal voltage. It is not the highest system voltage. So equipment is not to be selected on 11 kV. Please remember 11 kV is the nominal voltage level and the equipment will not be selected on this. Due to the various requirements of the system and the operational conditions of the systems, the voltage is a little higher than the nominal voltage of the system, and which is known as the rated voltage as per IEC 60694. So highest system voltage for 11 kV is different from the level shown here as 11 kV. If you are an electrical engineer and working in Pakistan and maybe Middle East, you may come across the voltage levels as 15 kV, 17.5 kV, 12 kV. Now these three voltages which I mentioned here are from European practice as well as from North American practice. In North America you will find 15 kV as rated voltage, whereas as per European standard you will find 12 kV and 17.5 kV. So for Pakistan you cannot or we cannot take the rated system voltage as 12 kV at it is very low. You know there are taping on the transformers, there are voltage rise due to the switching on a line, distribution or transmission line or a cable when there is a no load due to the front effect. Therefore the 12 kV voltage is not recommended in my opinion. Then you have choice between 15 kV and 17.5 kV. Now if you select 15 kV or 17.5 kV, the story doesn't end here, because when you select the rated highest system voltage, then you have to choose in the second step the basic impulse level, which is protection against the lightning strokes, and you have to also select the power frequency withstand voltage as per the IC. So if you select 15 kV, the next selections of two values as I mentioned here will change, and similarly for 17.5 kV the values of BIL and power frequency withstand voltage will change. The dimensions will change as well, the clearances will change as well. Therefore 15 kV and 17.5 kV, the 17.5 kV equipment will be or maybe of high price as compared to 15 kV. So you will find in Pakistan in different specifications of K Electric, NTDC, LESCO, VESCO, DISCO, whatever it is, are the different consultants, utility companies. I would say there is a state of confusion, and you will find in the tender documents and technical specifications both voltages. Sometimes 15 kV is written and somewhere 17.5 kV is written. You can also come across the equipment of voltage level of 12 kV. So this is the point of debate, point of discussion, and needs the utility companies and discos and consultants to decide what should be the medium voltage level. In Pakistan there should be one voltage level, highest system voltage maybe 15 kV or 17.5 kV. However, the topic is open for discussion. This video lecture is only intended to inform the students that there are two system voltages or rated system, highest system voltages are used or in practice in Pakistan, 15 kV and 17.5 kV. If you have any questions, please do send us email at tdconsultants.ca@gmail.com, and please subscribe to our channel on YouTube. All these videos, lectures are free and there are no charges, and the purpose is educating the engineers of Pakistan. Thank you very much.